Would you agree obtaining money is the driving factor in most people's daily activity, whether they need it or not? Do you care how you obtain money as long as it's legal? If you noticed, I used the phrase obtain money instead of earn money. That's intentional. Not all money is earned. This seminar is about obtaining money legally from owning and trading shares of racehorse assets. You may be thinking, why invest in racehorses to obtain money? My answer is, why not racehorses? We invest in hogs, cattle, orange juice, oil, and even Bitcoin. So why shouldn't racehorses be treated as a tradable asset? To turn racehorses into tradable assets, we created the Rex Horse Racing League. Some of you are probably thinking, why create a league to trade racehorse assets? Simply because the league model is already proven. Major sports and entertainment industries use it to create stability, build brands, attract investment, and grow long-term value. We're applying this same framework to horse racing. By limiting the number of franchises, a league creates scarcity. When the league is closed to new owners, the scarcity should drive up franchise value. A league gives every franchise owner the power to attach their exchange name to a unified brand, benefiting from shared identity, shared marketing, and shared recognition. A league provides structure. Investors know exactly what they're buying into, how it works, and how value is created. Clear rules and clear systems make participation safer, smarter, and more scalable. A league is a membership in a defined community with shared resources, shared risk, and a collective mission that strengthens every franchise. A league aligns everyone around the same goals. When every franchise is working toward the same vision, growth accelerates, collaboration increases, and the entire league becomes stronger. Franchises can appreciate over time as the league grows, creating the potential for long-term asset appreciation for every owner. A league operates with far less regulatory pressure than a public offering. That means more flexibility, faster innovation, and a cleaner path to building value without the burden of heavy regulatory barriers. Instead of accepting franchise funding piece by piece, we want to build a solid league membership first. Once a high-volume membership is in place, then we will accept franchise funding all at once. A solid membership base ensures we can launch the league with confidence. The franchise funding estimate helps us gauge if we'll have enough capital to acquire high-level racehorse assets for building a super stable and is completely non-binding. Once funding estimates reach a level that shows we can raise enough capital to launch the league, the funding portal will open for you to fund your franchise. These funds are committed to acquiring and managing high-level racehorse prospects and cannot be withdrawn. So only fund your franchise with money you can afford to be without while the league builds its revenue streams. There are two revenue streams to consider: share trading and cash distributions. Share trading offers faster liquidity, while cash distributions take more patience but can deliver larger payouts depending on how many shares you hold. Share trading is what separates the Rex Horse Racing League from every other league. It transforms racehorses into a tradable asset, giving league members real liquidity and control over their assets. League members are trading partners. To build a powerful trade market, we need a viral membership. A few millionaires won't hurt, But the real market drivers need to come from millions of everyday earners looking for ways to make extra money. The people who tried MLMs, lottery, day trading, social media, gaming, and other activities are the people who can turn the Rex Horse Racing League into a massive trading powerhouse. The trade bank is separate from your franchise funding. You deposit money into it to perform share trading activities. You can deposit or withdraw those funds at any time. It is also where your cash distributions will be deposited when they are declared. Here's an example. If the Big Dream Exchange funds their franchise with $10,000, they'll own 10,000 shares in all of the league's racehorse assets. The Trade Portal is the league's private share trading marketplace. It is accessible only by Rex League members. This is where you manage your trading activity, such as listing shares for sale or placing a bid to buy shares. It's also where you manage your trade bank deposits and withdrawals, as well as canceling share sales and bid offers. Active Trades gives you a live view of every trade listing in the market, including your own. Each listing shows its action status: buy, sell, or pending. Your listings appear with your role, buyer or seller, locked in and grayed out, so you always know exactly where you stand in the trading flow. You can increase or decrease your shareholdings through trades within the league. Here's how a trade works. Dream Big lists 5,000 shares at $150 each. Golden Touch buys all 5,000, adding to their position, while Dream Big pockets $7,500, locking in a $2,500 profit. If trading shares isn't your thing, that's okay. Patience alone can earn you a payout. You can simply wait for a cash distribution to be declared. Cash distributions are like stock dividends. They are paid when revenue from racing, horse sales, and breeding creates a cash surplus beyond what the league needs for operations. Distributions are paid on a per-share basis. If a 48-cent distribution is declared and you hold 5,000 shares, $2,400 is deposited directly into your trade bank. Here's something to think about. If there are fish in your own pond, why pay someone to fish in theirs? In the Rex League, you already own the fish. You are just waiting for them to get bigger. When you join Rex, the money you use to fund your franchise goes straight into owning the assets that work to earn money for you. That's your pond, your fish, your upside. When you pay membership fees, entry fees, or subscriptions elsewhere, you're just paying for access to someone else's product or service with zero ownership. With Rex, you own the pond that contains the value. Here are some things to consider. Think about all the fees you pay. Memberships, banking, entry fees, tolls, licenses, insurance, credit cards, to name a few. You pay them month after month, year after year. They drain your wallet, but how many of them have the potential to ever return anything back to you? Millions of people pay an annual fee just to shop at a big box discount store. Think about that. Now consider this. With just one of those fees, you could own a Rex Horse Racing League franchise, and you only do it once. The horses you are seeing represent the real earning power of high-level racehorse talent. These aren't hypotheticals. They are real racehorses with verified statistics for performance and sales histories. These horses show the earning potential a well-funded Rex Horse Racing League can achieve if enough of you fund a league franchise to pursue it. If you're chasing promises of instant wealth or unbelievable monthly returns, you will not find it here. If you want a realistic opportunity to earn money through the ownership of a sports franchise, set your own funding level, trade shares on performance, or willing to wait for racing and sales returns to develop, then Rex is your chance to have it. The ownership, control, the naming of your league franchise and how it's managed belongs to you. I'll leave you with one final thought. Since Rex launched, other leagues have either formed or is forming, backed by big money. But none of them offered you a chance at ownership. They just want you to be a consumer of their product. That's still the Rex difference. Whether you fund your franchise with $1 or $1 million, you're part of the league's ownership, positioning you to be the beneficiary of its growth. If we don't build this, someone else will. Only Rex allows you to own what we build. Together, as one league with many owners, we can accomplish things in horse racing that have never been done before. Be part of something extraordinary. Join Rex.